to be back here. You know, home is fine when you're on vacation, but not so when you're sick. So things seem normal. When I came in, I just did some tidying, some disinfecting, and wiping down my surfaces in the office. I have unloaded my laptops, got my planner out, and now I'm going to write down my to-do list for today to get done in the office. And yeah, I'm back in the swing of things. I do need to get caught up on some tasks, and I'm just happy to be here. All right, I hope that you're having a great day. Hello, now in the car picking up the girls from school, going to let them go home and take care of their business before they go get their hair done. It's been a long time since they've gotten their hair done because we were all sick, and I'm so happy for them to finally get to go and get that little bit of pampering in, and they can feel like $1 million. So I'm just sitting in car line now, and yeah, just waiting for them. I have also just been using this car time to take a deep breath and embrace the fact that I'm back in the swing of things. Like, I was doing my calendar, my planner today, and realized, wow, there's a lot of stuff going on this week. But I'm excited, primarily because I'm healthy and I'm able to do it. All right, I hope things are going well in your neck of the woods, and I will talk to you in just a bit. Love coming home to these. I have some time before I have to go get the girls, so I just worked on a reel, and I'm going to edit that and get that put up on Instagram. I'm trying to be good and committed to my social media. I'm sitting down for a moment. It is a little after 6, and the girls are at the hairdresser. One of them has dance tonight. Well, no, both of them have dance, but due to hair, one of them will miss dance. I need to take the other one to dance. While she's at dance, I'll be on a Zoom call for a sorority committee meeting. I'm going to come back home. I have to fulfill a few orders that need to go to the post office tomorrow. And remember when I told you about me doing my nails and I was happy because they needed to be done? Gosh, where did the time go? Because it's now time for them to get redone. Maybe a little too ambitious to add this to my to-do list tonight, but sure it's gonna bug me. The other hand is fine, but let me show you what happened to my right thumb that's bugging me. So here is my thumbnail. It bent on me, and now I'm gonna have to do something about that. Hey friends, I'm going to go ahead and call the vlog here. It's now time for me to go into our busy evening routine. Have to go pick up the girls from the hairdresser. Then we have dance. Then there's Zoom. There's work orders for shoptishb.com. So I need to go ahead and put the camera up for the night. I hope that you enjoyed this work day in my life. I didn't pick up the camera as much as I thought I would, but it was my first day back into the office and I needed to give my attention to those things that I was not able to do while I was out. So I hope that the footage that I did get was enough to just keep you entertained. Hope that you grabbed a snack and you came along with me. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe and like this video by giving it a thumbs up. And talk to me down in the comment area. And if you get tired of YouTube tonight or today, go ahead and go over to Instagram. I am there at iamtishbullard.com. I'm going to put it right there. So let's connect on Instagram. And until the next video, friends, have a great day. Bye.